think this is all set up right for fuck knows. Let's go.
Love the enthusiasm there, Steve.
Right, here we go. We'll go
Do
Druid.
this. Yeah.
Grab the druid.
Druid's up. Switching to Druid. I'll stun their Paladin. Person on Druid.
Yeah, so am I.
I've stunned the. I'm rooted. It's fine. I'm out of it.
I've grabbed the paladin.
I've feared the Paladin.
Stun the warrior.
Stunned. I got stunned for fit, Druid.
Oh, tank.
Hexing
This is
paladin.
Paladin.
No, I'm hexing paladin. He had wings up.
Going back on Druid. Druid's got Bop. Kev, can you get that?
No.
Bop's gone. I made the Druid cycling himself. I'm now stunned, cycling myself. I'm rooted.
Yeah, hang on.
I've got it.
I'm stunned. Paladin.
I'm stunned. I need
Yeah, come in,
tank.
I'm not
tank,
Paladin,
tank,
sorry.
tank, tank.
Good.
Got it.
Yeah, I'm good. Grab the paladin.
I've got burst in 14.
Alright, I'm gonna lasso the druid here for a minute. Grounded for the clone.
On the warrior.
Purging the druid.
United.
Burst on the Druid.
Yeah, I've stunned him.
Grab the paladin.
I popped me.
I'm gonna hex the paladin.
I popped
You
myself.
you. Yeah.
So I've hexed the paladin.
Stunned. Stun the warrior.
I've gripped the
Warrior's
druid.
Stunned.
Got burst,
Druid.
got burst.
Lasso in the paladin.
Yeah, Druid. Nice, we got this here. Stun the Druid. He's
Nice,
dead.
good shit. Stay in wall, Steve.
Yeah, I popped some good defenses.
That's some good
Shit.
fucking shit, boys. Well played.